Neri.
Are you hot?
Sasama si Mami Lia at si Tita Sandra sa school ni Neri. Atid niyo si Neri sa school?
Oo, mag-i-inspect sa school.
Oh, wow, i-inspect sa school. Lagot niyo rin.
Peep Team Neri. Please like and subscribe.
Subscribe to my channel.
Ready ka na, Neri? Matulog ka pa. Labas, Mami Lia. Sino nasa CR? Ha? Ano? Ano yun? Bumaba na ba si Mami Lia? Kanina? Bihis na siya? Nagbihis na? Kasama sa'yo? School? Good morning!
Morning.
Ano si Mami Lia?
Si Mama nasa ano na daw?
Sa Perna? Sa terminal?
Terminal. Aga-aga. Sa Terminal 3 pa kami.
3? Ayun, malapit-lapit lang. Kasama ka, Neri? Mami Lia? Kasama sa ano? Airport? Si Mami Lia na lang kasama sa school. Five kilos?
7 kilos na daw eh. Bahala na si Batman.
Samahan ka, Neri, ni Mami Lia sa school. Ayun guys, gising na si Mami Lia. Samahan natin lang si Neri sa
Ay,
school.
tayo.
Sige, suman. Suman ang buntok. Neri, kumain ka ng suman.
Kumain sa umaga.
Tulog pa si Neri. Pero naka-uniform na. Ready to school na yan. Baon si Mami Lia ang suman.
Ano na yan?
Ikaw, Neri, ready na baon mo, Neri? Ano baon mo? Biskuit.
Ano mo, yung payong mo?
Paglabas ng palakay ko po.
Tuwid-tuwid ka pa dyan, ah. Pagising mo lang.
Sinabi mo daw kasi alas 5.
Neri.
Are you hot?
Sasama si Mami Lia at si Tita Sandra sa school ni Neri. Atid niyo si Neri sa school?
Oo, mag-i-inspect sa school.
Oh, wow, i-inspect sa school. Lagot niyo rin. I-inspect sa school.
What's he saying?
Morning, Neri.
Morning po.
Wala pa sila, Mami Lia. Silip ka, Neri, silip.
Gonna try and sit in the back, but I'm sitting in the back. Closed. Looks like it.
Say hi into the camera.
Oh. Hi.
to school with Neri. Yeah. We check the schools of Neri.
She has to be the person that takes us and shows us around.
Alright.
Good morning, Mami Lia.
Morning.
Punta tayo sa
Good
school
morning.
Punta tayo sa school ni
Oh,
Neri.
my bag. Woohoo, it's heavy.
Okay guys, let's go.
Let's go.
Are you sure you're gonna have room to take anything back?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Just gonna buy a bag there. Put it in. Check in.
Checking.
Let's go.
Yeah. This is just my jacket and my purse. My jacket, my purse, and
Why do you need a jacket?
I'm always cold in the plane.
Oh, okay.
For the plane, it is for the plane. So I have more than. Oh, somebody did it closer, or no? I just don't know how to operate it. It have.
Anyhow.
I don't like being cold in the plane, so. And I might sleep for 3 hours. Hopefully I can sleep. And the plane over there.
I'm gonna try out the new pillow.
Yeah. I'm hoping to sleep. As I slept maybe at 1 o'clock. And then for some reason Daniel's keep waking up.
Gising ba sir? Service. Oh, wala pa yung service mo Neri. Sama ka na Neri.
Ayaw mo? Ingat, bye!
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
How late did she stay up?
I have no idea. She was up early actually. She was up earlier than I am.
Heard her alarm go.
Hi people.
Thailander.
Oo. Hindi ko alam paano yung.
Paano nga yung ano mo yan? Para mo dito yung aircon mo. Kaya air mo sa taas. Hindi sana siya